This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to adjust the dimensions of a Google form embedded on a website. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. So we're looking at pet preferences in America. It's a very simple Google form. I want to embed it on my Shopify website or a WordPress website. And basically what you need to do is you need to change the embed code so it reflects the dimensions that you want. So the first way to take care of this issue is to go to Send, and then click the pointy brackets. That's the embed code. You can see by default it's 640 by 739, but you can change this to anything you want. So I can change this to 800 by 900 if I want. So 800 pixels wide, 900 pixels high. I would just copy the text and then paste it into my website. The other way to take care of changing the dimensions is actually to look at the code that's already embedded on your website and then manually change the numbers. So you can see here, it says width 640, height 739. So if I want to, I can change this to width 840 and the height 939. I would basically just save it, and then it would be reflected on the website.